Welcome to computer coding class. Today our program is how to delete a record of a MySQL database table using Python. Let's start. Here I am using web server for MySQL. My operating system is Windows 8.1. Here our database is CCC and the table we are using product for deleting a record. Now we will show product table. Select start from product. This is the product table where PID is the primary key. It is unique. It will be used for deleting a record of this table. Let's start programming. First of all, we will import our MySQL Python connector driver package. Import MySQL.connector. Secondly, we will import error. Now we will create our first block, that is the try block. This is used for error detection and correction. This is called exception handling. First block, that is try block. Here we are creating connection by using command mysql.connector.connect parenthesis. First is host equal to localhost. In web server we are using Apache as a web server, so its IP address is localhost. Second is username, that is by default username of MySQL is root. Then password, that is 1234. Next is database. Here we are using CCC database. And last is character set. Here we are using Unicode True Font 8. Next component is called cursor. So here we will create cursor, cur connection.cursor. Now input the product ID to be deleted. Here we are using pure command prompt command by using Notepad. We are not using any GUI editor or tkinter kiwi like this. Next we will create query by writing the command delete from product, where product ID equal to ID. This is a small string we are create. Now we will execute this query using our cursor. So command is cursor.execute parenthesis query. Now we will close our cursor. This is our try block. Next block is exception handling except block, that is also called catch block. So here we will catch the error, print MySQL connection error. If any error due to MySQL connection will raise, then our cursor will come here. last block, that is called finally block, where we will close our connection. Here first we will check whether our connection is on or off. So if connection dot is connected equal to true, then connection dot close. Last command is print command, that is we have successfully deleted the record. Here we are using two curly braces opening and ending for printing our product ID. This is called formatting of Python string. Now dot format. In this way you can print and format your string. We have created our program. Now we will save and run this program. By using Anaconda command prompt. This is MySQL and we have 5 records, 1012, 105. Now run the program. This is Anaconda command prompt. Enter product ID. Here we are deleting product 105. We have successfully deleted product ID 105 record. Now we will check whether this record deleted or not. So we will write select star from product. Now you can check this product table that we have successfully deleted product record 105. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel.